Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning ayah number 145 of Surah Al-An'am and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل لا أجد فيما أوحي إلي محرما قل قاف is heavy for the circle ellipse attach with lam will get sifa of the wasut قل لا mad munfasil jais make it 4 counts long without keeping it in your nose. Hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaw. G for kasra give e sound. Do for dhamma circle lips. Fi 2 counts long. Ma mad munfasil jais make it 4 counts long. For dhamma circle lips make it 2 counts long. He for kasra give e sound. Ya for fatha upon jaws the sound is short. E for kasra give e sound. Lay for fatha upon jaws attach with ya. Here you are giving rakhawa because ya is among our rakhawa letters and you are giving nabar. So while giving nabar, when you are pushing the sound up, you are giving nabar as well. There is no cut of the sound. Ilayya, ilayya, mu. For the circle lips, the sound is short. Haru, ha. From your throat to fatha upon jaws, attach it to ra. Ra will get sifa of the wasut, and ra will be heavy because there is fatha on it. Haru, ra, man. This as the ruling is idhar and sifa is the wasut. Man. Ain from your throat. La, 2 counts long. Ta is heavy. Ta is the most heaviest letter in Quran. So there is itbaq. You're lifting your tongue up. You're pasting it on your palate. So this is making ta heavy. And alif will be heavy too because whenever alif is attached with heavy letters, it will be heavy. When alif will be attached with light letters, it will be light. Ain from your throat. For kasra give e sound. Me. This is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Me. Yaq. Kaf ya. Keep ya light, but ta heavy because ta is among heavy letters and ta will get sifa of qalqala and qalqala. Yaqa. Yaqa. Ain from your throat, for fatha open jaws. Mu for the circle lips, the sound is short. Hu mad munfasil jais make it 4 counts long. Il hamza is sharp for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. La mad munfasil jais make it 4 counts long. Ai this is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Yeah, keep ya light for fatha upon jaws. Ku for the circle lips make it 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws the sound is short. Mai for fatha upon jaws attach it ya. This is ya lean. So when you are attaching fatha with ya, here you are making it soft. Mai ta for fatha upon jaws. Then ruling is idhar and sifa is tawassut. Then Ow. Hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws attach it wow. This is wow lean. So when you are attaching fatha with wow, here you are making it soft. Ow. Da for fatha upon jaws the sound is sharp. Man idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mas for fatha upon jaws attach it sin will get sifa of rakhawa. And it is light and it has safid. Masfu, fu for the circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Han, and the ruling is thar and suffice the wasut. Ow, hamza is sharp, fatha upon jaws, attach it wow. This is wow lean, so make it soft and make it, yes, when you are attaching fatha with waw, you're making it soft. Lah, keep lam light and have from your throat with hums. Lah, ma, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Khia, for make kha heavy, and there is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light, so you are hiding sound in your nose. You are going towards the makhraj of za. Khia, z, 2 counts long. Ria, ikhfa, and this ikhfa is light. So because fa is among light letters. Ria, fa, give hams in fa for fatha open jaws. In hamza is sharp or kasra, give e sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Who for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Rij for kasra, give e sound attached with jim. Jim will get sifa qalqala, and this qalqala is very clear, should be very crisp. Rij sun, ruling is idhar and sifa is tawassut. Aw, hamza is sharp, but this is waw lean, so when you are attaching this fatha with waw, you are making it soft. Fis, for kasra, give e sound attached with sin. Sin will get sifa of rakhawa. It is light and it has safir. Fis, qan, make qaf heavy. And after that, there is sifa is tawassut and ruling is idhar. Qan, u for the circle lips. Hil for kasra, give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. La for fatha upon jaws. Li for kasra, give e sound. Ghai, make ghain heavy. And this is yailin. So when you are attaching this fatha with ya, you're making it soft. Ghai, ril, Rillah. Lafz Jalala will be light and Ra will be light because Ra has Kasra, and this is before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name will be light too. Rillah, la, he. For Kasra, give E sound. Bi. For Kasra, give E sound attached with ha. Ha will get sifa afra khawa because it is with sukoon now because of the waw. Fa, give hams in fa for fatha upon jaws. Ma for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Nir for kasra, give e sound attached with dot. Dot will get sifa of raqawa. It has istitala. It is heavy. Nir tur. Ta is heavy for dhamma circle ellipse attached with ra. Ra will get sifa of tawassut and it will be heavy because there is fatha on ra. Tur. Ta will be heavy and ra will be heavy. Ra, ghai, gha, ghain is heavy with the sifa of infitah, and ya is light, and ya is yailin. This is yailin. So when you are attaching fatha with ya, you are making it soft. Ghai, ra, ra is heavy because there is fatha on it. Ba, keep ba light, make it 2 counts long. Ghiyu, this is gone with gunna. Keep ghain heavy because it is a heavy letter, and then after that, giving e sound of for kasra, attach it with waw. Ghiyu, ga, ga, ghiyu, wa, makhraj of waw. Circle in your lips for fatha open jaws. La, 2 counts long. Ain from your throat, make it 2 counts long. Dia. This is ikhfa. You are hiding the sound into your nose, like you are keeping gunna into your nose. You are going towards the makhraj of fa when you are saying this gunna. Dia fa. Give hums in fa for fatha open jaws. In for kasra, give e sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Rad. Ra is heavy because there is fatha on it attached with ba. Ba will get sifa of shidda. It means that the makhraj will cut off the sound abruptly. Rab, ba for fatha open jaws. Ka for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Gha, ghain is heavy for fatha open jaws. Fu, give hams in fa, make it 2 counts long, and for dhamma, circle your lips. Urur. Both raws are heavy. For Dhamma, raw with Dhamma, you're circling your lips. As you will touch the second raw, your lips should be in a straight position. And for the first raw, which is with sukoon, and the second raw will get the position of fatha. رر رحيم غفور رحيم. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is متعارض للسكون. قل لا أجد فيما أوحي إلي محرما على طاعم يطعمه على طاعم يطعمه إلا أن يكون ميتة أو دما مسفوحا أو لحم خنزير فإنه رجس أو فسقا أهل لغير الله به فمن اضطر غير باغ ولا عاد فإن ربك غفور رحيم. ومخرج الفاء circling your lips for open jaws. Ain from your throat for open jaws. Open your jaws. Lal for open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sip off the wasut. La for open jaws. The sound is short. The two counts long. Na for open your jaws. Ha two counts long. Do for the mouth circle your lips make it two counts long. Haru keep ha light but raw heavy. Because there is fatha on ra. Haram attach with meme, you will get sif of tawasut, and tawasut is medium flow of sound. Na two counts long. Kul for the circular lips attached with lam. As you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position. Kulla for fatha open jaws. The two counts long. Vu for the circular lips and make the heavy. For keep fa light and give hums in fa and attach with raw. Raw will be heavy because of this work we are giving sukoon here. Because of the sukoon, we will consider the harka before raw, and that is dhamma. So it is making raw heavy. Ghufur, ghufur. ومخرج فواو circling your lips for fatha open jaws. Me for kasra give e sound. Nal for fatha open jaws attach it lam. Lam will get sip off the wasut. Ba keep ba light for fatha open jaws. Qa is heavy. Make qaf nicely heavy for fatha open jaws. Ba qa ri for kasra give e sound. Raw will be light here because there is kasra on it. Ri wal makhraj of waw circling your lips attach with lam. Lam will get sip off the wasut. Ghain is heavy with infitah. Na for fatha open jaws the sound is short. Mi for kasra give e sound. Ha from your throat nicely for fatha open jaws attach with raw will be heavy. Haram give the wasut on meme. Na two counts long. Ain from your throat. Lean. Lean. So make it soft and you are attaching fatha with ya. Him. Pakasra give e sound attached with meme. Meme will get sip off the wasut. And hukmuhu idhar. Shu. For the circle ellipse the sound is short and nice. Shu. Hu. Ha from your throat. And with hums and make it two counts long. Hu. Ma for fatha open jaws. Hu. For the circle ellipse the sound is short. Ma mad munfasil jais make it four counts long. Il hamza is very sharp for kasra e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sip off the wasut. La two counts long. Ma two counts long. Ha Ha from your throat, papata open jaws. Ma, papata open jaws, the sound is short. Let's, papata open jaws attached with ta. Ta will get sip of hums, and hums is flow of breath. Lu, dha is heavy. With itbaq, for dhamma circle lip. Wu, hu, hu, for dhamma circle lip, make it 2 counts long. Oru, ra is heavy for dhamma circle lips, and the sound is short. Oru, hu, oru, hu. Ha is short, and for dhamma circle lips, ma, mad munfasil jaiz, and don't keep the sound in your nose when you are stretching it. Ma, hamza is sharp. Will, makhraj of our circling your lips as you will touch lam. Your lips should be straight and it will get tawassut. Will, ha from your throat with hams for fatha open jaws. Wa, makhraj of wow, circling your lips, make it 2 counts long. Ya, mad munfasil jais, make it 4 counts long. Ow, hamza is sharp, and as you will in touch with wow, this is wow lean, so make it soft. Ow, makh, for meme, keep meme light but kha heavy, and it will not be any any more long because it is attached. This meme is attached with kha now, and kha will be heavy. It has the khawa. Makh, ta is sharp for fatha open jaws. La for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ta is heavy and the sound is short. B for kasra with e sound. Aw. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws attached with dha. Dha will get sifa proqawa. It is heavy. Aw. And then you're going to give tawassut on meme. Aw. The 2 counts long. Li for kasra give e sound. Ka for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ja for fatha open jaws without escaping any breath or sound. Make the sound of jim. Ja, zai, za. This is za. It has safir for fatha open jaws, and this is yailin, so makes it soft when you are attaching fatha with ya. Zai, na, 2 counts long. This is ikhfa shafwi, so you are hiding the sound of meme. Bi for kasra give e sound. Bi ba, keep ba light, but ghain heavy, and ghain will get sipa up. Khawa. Bow, yi for kasra give e sound. Him for kasra give e sound attached with meme, you will get sipa up the wasut. Wa makhraj of our circling your lips. In hamza is sharp for attached with noon will get sipa kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, 2 counts long. La for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Sa is heavy, make it 2 counts long. And this alif will be heavy too because of this sad. Sadi for kasra give e sound. Un. Because of this verb, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarid lis sukun. وعلى الذين هادوا حرمنا كل ذي ظفر ومن البقر والغنم حرمنا عليهم شحومهما إلا ما حملت ظهورهما أو الحوايا أو ما اختلط بعظم ذلك جزيناهم ببغيهم وإنا لصادقون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.